In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable gift comments on your TikTok videos, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. You know that in this channel, we don't waste so much time. We just dive right into the content that you are looking for, okay? Okay, let's click on profile. After clicking on profile, what you want to click on next is the three bars at the top. We normally call them the hamburger sign. Just tap on them like that. Then the next thing you want to do, go under settings and privacy. Make sure your TikTok looks like this. This is the updated version. Just make sure that everything is okay here so that you can see and account the first three columns there, the first three rows I mean. Then click on the arrow back button. Now click on the three bars at the top once again. Now click on TikTok Studio. Scroll up. Now you will see video gifts. Click on it. Now toggle this one to the right to enable video gifts. By enabling the video gifts, viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when the feature is turned on. Let us just turn it on. Now you will see there are several requirements here. First, you must have 1,000 followers. The video must pass safety moderation. Then the account must have been active for at least 30 days. If you meet all these, you will be able to turn on the gift features. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.